how it's supposed to feel.
There's a sun here, and it's so near. Let's go! Right here in this dragon fruit farm, there's a lot of dragon fruit like this. Wow! They're also pointy, so just be careful. There is a lot of dragon fruit here. Oh, see all of these dragon fruit plants. This dragon fruit farm is so big, and also I'm eating dragon fruit juice. And the farm is so big that it can fit like 64 people. And also there's only dragon fruits growing around. And that's all. Hi.
Hi!
So we are here guys sa
Dragon fruit farm!
So you can see guys on our back there's so many dragon fruits.
Yeah,
As you can see in our drones,
I love dragon fruit.
video, our drone shot.
Yes.
Really enjoy here, especially their shakes. So delicious guys. You can try it here.
Yeah.
So
Like
as you
the
can
shake,
see,
like the shake?
while our kids are sharing their experience here, they share how delicious the dragon fruit shake. So I hope it help you to be able to share about this place. So you can visit here anytime, weekdays and weekends. So you can visit here, guys.
Balik.
So don't forget to like and subscribe guys. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. So till next time guys.